So far in this section, as we've been working with pictures in a publication, we've used this photo, a digital photo that you have in your exercise files. But you can also insert clip art into a publication. And if you've ever used another application like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, you know that the Office Suite comes with a selection of clip art. And then you also have access to tons more online at Microsoft Online. So what we're going to do now is insert some clip art, but we're going to insert it into our publication somewhere else. We're going to go to page 2 here, page 2 and 3, and we're going to put some clip art in here. Now I'm using card 7B from the previous lesson. If you've jumped to this lesson, don't worry about it. Click your open button, navigate to the lesson 7 folder of your exercise files, and open up card 7C. So one click and open, or double click it, brings it up on screen. So again, we're going to go to page 2 and 3 here. I'm going to scroll over so I can see the third page. And there's a small image here already from the template. I'm going to click on that and hit delete on my keyboard. I want to put my own clip art in here. So just like inserting any other picture, we go to the insert menu and we'll come down to picture and across to clip art. Now all that happens, watch the left hand side of your screen when you click it, is we change the task pane to the clip art task pane. And in here is where we're going to see a list of clip art. But first we come up to the search for field, and if we want to leave that blank and click go, we're going to see every piece of clip art in our own collections, in other words installed with Publisher or the Office Suite in this case, and stored on our own computer. So as I scroll through this list, you can see it's fairly long. Now down below I've got access, like I said, to tons more if I was to come down here to clip art on Office Online. So let's just concentrate on what we do have installed. We'll come up to the search for field, and because it's Valentine's, let's type in the word love and we'll click go. Well, there's only 2 clip art images in our collection here that deal with love. One's a love seat, not what we're interested in, and this one here is kind of a nice looking heart. So all I have to do is click on it to insert it right into my publication. It's not really the right size, but again, we've got the picture toolbar like we did from the previous lesson, and we can make changes to it right here on our screen. So I'm going to just size this down to about that big, move it into position with the 4-sided arrow here, just clicking and dragging from the middle of my image until I get it in place. Again, I could crop it, I could change the border, and I'm going to go to my line border style here and choose something a little bit thicker. You can see with the thick line around the outside, I would then go to my formatting toolbar to change it to something other than black. So maybe this burgundy color would look good, and sure enough, that looks much better. I deselect by clicking outside the image to see the end result. So there we go, that's clip art, no problem there. In the next lesson, we're going to add something called word art to our publication.